What's up everyone, I'm Changi and today I've had a delivery. I've got two deliveries in fact. And the first one, it's so what have we got? I'll tell you what this is. Someone has been so kind enough to send me out their channel mate, and it is Jim White. It's JW Brickwork. And that's on Instagram. I'll put a link below for his Instagram. And he does some really nice brickwork, to be fair. Have a look at his channel. Been after one of these for a while. And the guy's sorted me right out. So, nice one for that, Jim. Brilliant. I'll send you the money across. Let's have a look at that. Let's see how fat he was. Oh, he's the same size as me. How about that? So that'll be getting used, not tomorrow, because obviously it's going to be pissing it down. It's not been great weather today, to be fair. But that's brilliant. You can even see where he's out bent into his leg. Cracking. Been after one of these for a long time. So that's a nice one for that, Jim. Keep it nice and easy.